We have been working with Microsoft for the last close to 10 years, as Winnie said, specifically from 2007, and we have walked a journey together that has been around preparing women and youth, especially those from marginalized and underserved communities, to be able to enter the digital economy or the digital space and succeed within the digital space. Our programs have been focused mainly around preparing these young women and youth for market-driven digital skills that enable them secure employment within the digital environment. And we have worked together to reach around a total of slightly over 400,000 over the last 3 years alone. If we were to look back from where we started in 2007, the number is much bigger than that. And for the program that we have implemented in the last 3 years, aimed at reaching out to women and youth, around 300,000 to start with digital skills that would enable them secure employment in the digital market. So we trained them on intermediate and advanced digital skills, aspects of coding, aspects of data science and analytics, and then linking them to additional courses around the LinkedIn platforms and other available resources that they were able to train in. And the training was also, with the support of Microsoft, we were also able to incorporate an aspect of mentorship, because remember, we are preparing young women from backgrounds that are not very stable, and those that had, in fact, majority of whom had lost their jobs and sources of income during COVID time. And we want to prepare them and get them back into the digital employment pipeline. So we had aspects of mentorship in it. We worked with industry specialists. We worked with organizations like Textbook, just to make sure that we provided a holistic package for these young women to be able to secure jobs. Beyond the training and mentorship, and in some cases also a little bit of mental health training, we were able to then connect them, provide job linkage services, where sometimes, again, we connect with KEPSA when we are out there looking for opportunities for these young women to be able to work. So initially, we were set to reach out to 300, but by the time the program was coming to closure, in March this year, we had reached a number of 472,000. So those 472,000 young people are now available, and with little bits of upskilling, they are able to to take advantage of the new initiative by Microsoft, which is now the AI National Skilling Program, to be prepared to be able to reach, to harness the power of AI. And also to mention that they already had some basic skills, because when they went during the training, when we connected them to LinkedIn, they were also able to gain some skills around generative AI. So it will be looking at how do we then prepare them for better opportunities within the AI sector as it evolves within the country. But what we can say for now is that it is a great initiative. On the side, we also work with farmers. Again, this also came into the fold in the program that we implemented. And therefore, even just now using technology, AI technology, to automate the ability to access content and information around, best farming practices, information around, for example, weather patterns and all that, like Winnie mentioned before. So they can be predictable. They can make decisions that are able to support and increase their productivity. So as an organization, we're happy to be here, and we believe that this is a good step forward in terms of even creating opportunities for youth to be able to innovate. And from a women and marginalized people point of view, I just want to say that we really appreciate already the intentional position by Microsoft to make it, to address issues of gender inclusion, gender equity and social inclusion, so that this then now will be able to reach out to women and youth from those marginalized communities